Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Rachel. I'm at my house and I wanted to show you all a part of my life here at my house. Maybe you can hear it. We have 2 ducks and 4 chickens. You can hear they're very noisy. I'm going to turn the camera so that you can see them. So usually when they're making these sounds, it means like something's wrong, or maybe there's an egg, or maybe they want to get out and wander around. But let's go check to see. Uh-oh, that one got out. Alright, let's go see if there's any eggs in their chicken coop. Oh, alright, here's where they lay. These are called nesting boxes. And see how there's 1, 2, 3. But for some reason, the chickens and the eggs will only lay in this one over here. So you can see there's 2 eggs in there. And I think that's maybe what they were telling us. So these eggs are kind of brownish, and these are chicken eggs. The duck eggs are white and they're a lot bigger, but we use these to eat and cook with, and they're delicious. So that's kind of a fun thing that we have. I'm gonna let them out because it seems like they want to wander. They stay pretty close, and right now they're really loving it out here because it's nice and wet and there's a lot of bugs and worms and stuff that they can eat. And you can hear how they got quieter also because they're busy. Okay, those are my duck and chickens here at my house. Thanks, bye.